Breaking news coming in. Opposition parties have staged a walkout over suspension showdown. That's the latest coming in right there. Let's get you all the latest coming in from the Rajya Sabha at the moment. Remember, the Lok Sabha has been adjourned, I beg your pardon, till 2 p.m. And in the upper house of Parliament, opposition parties have staged a walkout over the suspension showdown. 12 MPs have been suspended. There was also a meeting that was chaired by Rahul Gandhi that was currently underway, that is currently underway, which is discussing this very issue, where the opposition party leaders are absolutely clear that they will not be expressing any kind of remorse. Listen to the latest coming in at the moment.
Suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members nothing to do with this, but this incident happened in last session. How can you take this?
These people on 10th August go through the proceedings of the House. The Deputy Chairman made appeal number of times. Sometimes even took the names also. Later also it was in the bulletin also it was published about the people who are engaged in this act. And 11th, no, you say no. You say no. I am not doing it. Please. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Mr. Venugopal. This is not the way. See, you try to mislead the House. You disturb the House. You ransack the table, and you also throw the papers on the chair, and also you have got, some of them have gone down to the table, and then you are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. You are giving me lessons. So this is not the way. The motion was moved. It was approved, action is taken, it is final. If the members who have committed this sacrilege against the House, they have not expressed any remorse. On the other hand, they are justifying. And so I don't think the appeal of the leader of opposition is worth considering. I am not considering it at all.
Supriya is now joining us live for the latest. Supriya, bring us the very latest in terms of the opposition staging a walkout in the upper house of the Parliament, and also give us a sense of what, the reason why the suspension has taken place and the fact that it's taken place in the last session.
Well, Jyoti, first the information which is coming from the Parliament is that 16 opposition parties together walked out of Rajya Sabha after the chairman made it loud and clear that the suspension of the Member of Parliament, the 12 MPs, won't be revoked, and they walked out. TMC walked out after 10 minutes later on. They kept their stand and then they walked out. So there are in total 17 opposition parties that have walked out from the Rajya Sabha, the upper house. They have gone. All the members of the parliaments of the opposition parties from these 17 parties have gone towards the Gandhi statue. They are staging a protest there. At the same time also, the second thing being that as far as the suspension of these MPs is concerned, the opposition is maintaining that the entire incident took place on the last day of the monsoon session and why the action is being taken in this winter session. They are saying that it's against the rules of the parliament. On the other hand, the government is maintaining that the Rajya Sabha being a continuous house, the chair as well as the house has a right to suspend people, the MPs, in case they indulge in unruly behavior. The opposition has countered it. They are saying that it was not the unruly behavior, that is just a facade. This is what the opposition MPs are saying. It is the number game which is behind the scenes, because the government wants to pass very crucial bills in this entire winter session in the upcoming days, and they don't have numbers in the Rajya Sabha. So that's why they've ensured that 12 MPs of the opposition get suspended for the entire session. The showdown has just started. Whether we are heading towards a complete washout of this session has to be seen. But one thing is for sure, that there is this opposition unity which we are seeing on the issue of suspension of these MPs. Even Aam Aadmi Party and TRS, which were usually not seen in the opposition party meetings, were present there in the meet today. The members of the parliament were present there in the meeting today. TMC somehow is trying to take a different stand. They are trying to show that they are on the cause. They are there, firm, standing there, taking a stand, but they are not part of the united forum of the opposition, we can say, in a way, where all the opposition parties are coming together. Last in the monsoon session, we had seen that TMC was also part of that big opposition front which was taking on the government in the monsoon session.
All right, Supriya getting us all the latest details right there.